व्हेन यू लाइक उड़ान शब्द सुनने के बाद लाइक एक ही चीज़ याद आती है, कॉलेज का एनुअल डे, कॉलेज का कल्चरल नाइट, कॉलेज का टेक फेस्ट.
Udan, the Tech Fest of BVM, is one platform that every BVMite gets to not just be student but be a leader.
ઉડાન મારા માટે એક તહેવાર છે અને હું કહું તો દિવાળી જેવો જ તહેવાર જેવી રીતે દિવાળી આવતા પહેલાં આપણે ઘણા પહેલાંથી એની પ્રિપેરેશન સ્ટાર્ટ કરી દઈએ છીએ, ઘરની સાફ સફાઈ, સ્વીટ્સ બનાવવાની, ઇન્વિટેશન્સ મોકલવાનું બધાને. સેમ રીતે આપણે ઉડાનમાં પણ કરીએ છીએ. એટલે ઉડાન મારા દિલની બહુ જ નજીક છે.
उड़ान एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया दैट एवरी वॉलंटियर, एवरी हेड, एवरी को-हेड इज वन टीम एंड इट इज हाईली इंटीग्रेटेड. वी ऑल आर वर्किंग टू मेक वन इवेंट सक्सेसफुल ऑफ BVM, दैट इज द टेक फेस्ट, द टेक्नो कल्चरल फेस्ट, दैट इज उड़ान.
Is literally the platform to celebrate what BVMites are. हर एक एक्टिविटी जो हम लोग अनलीश कर सकते हैं, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट हो तो डेकोरेशन के बहुत यूज़ होते हैं, कोई भी टैलेंट हो वो हमेशा एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाता है उड़ान.
ઉડાન એક ફેસ્ટિવલ જેવું છે મારા માટે કે જેમાં છોકરાઓ એટલા બધા એક્ટિવ હોય છે અને છોકરાઓ એટલા બધા દોડાદોડીમાં હોય છે, એમને જોઈને એવું થાય છે કે ના, આ લોકો કામ તો આ લોકો જ કરે છે. છોકરાઓને પરફોર્મન્સ કરતાં જોઈને ઘણો આનંદ થાય છે કે ભાઈ નહીં, આ લોકોમાં ટેલેન્ટ છે તો એમને એક ઉડાન થ્રુ સારામાં સારું પ્લેટફોર્મ મળી શકે છે. એમનામાં જે હિડન ટેલેન્ટ અથવા જે ક્યારે એમને ચાન્સ નથી મળતો ઘણી કોલેજીસ અથવા બીજે, એ આ BVMની ઉડાનમાં મળી શકે છે.
Udan was the most important event that happened to me when I was in the first year of my college, because till then college was a very gloomy event. Udan के बाद I never whined why this college or why BVM. Talking about memories, the Udan team, whether it be my publicity heads or my co-heads or the tech heads, I will talk about I have interacted with every people apart from my branch in college. So I have developed a very good connectivity, and that has helped for me for the 4 years of my journey to grow as an individual.
Previous year, it was a great experience working with some seniors, and now I am working as a senior with a huge crowd, and to handle them, to be a good friend, to take out some creativity from them.
So last year when I was the logistic co-head, amidst the scorching heat of the March, when I was roaming around in the streets of Vidyanagar, I was thinking why I'm doing this, and just roaming around, maybe it may not help me, but the euphoria which I experienced every time I experienced after the preparations on the days of Udan, I feel it's worth experiencing all the hard work. It's worth everything that we give as an organizing team.
I have selected mechanical engineering as my field of study, and Udan has given me opportunity to organize such an event like Auto Techno. I was always fascinated by automobiles, and I have got opportunities to explore my passion through Udan. That's why Udan is important to me.
This Udan is very special for me because in this Udan I'm an event manager of the event Publicite, and I'm very excited about it. Also, I will come to know about the various responsibilities and the work done by our different co-heads and tech heads.
Udan is a sentimental thing for me because in Udan you bid farewell to your seniors. When I was in third year, I had few of my great colleagues, Tirth Jani and Akash Joshi, whom I had to bid farewell. And now I am in fourth year, so I exactly know right now how it feels to be in fourth year, and so it's last Udan and I'm much more sentimental.
So I'm very thankful to Udan, to BVM, that it has given me a lot of memories to cherish. Like it's the best what I have seen personally, on a very personal level. I have seen that this is the best college fest that's happening all over Gujarat.
As a last year student, I'll miss this Udan, its tech, non-tech events, and especially the cultural nights, and all my fellow mates, and always a piece of my heart will remain here with BVM, with my Udan.
પાસ આઉટ થઈશ ને તો મારા મગજમાંથી બધું વાઇપ આઉટ થઈ જશે, પણ એક વસ્તુ વાઇપ આઉટ નહીં થાય, એ છે ઉડાન.
And hence I say, manners make it men, Udan make it leaders. I encourage every BVMite to come join hands with us and celebrate the festival of Udan like never before.